Evolution of Indian Constitution Part 1. India became republic in the year of 1951, 1950, 1949, 1947. The right answer is 1950. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naoroji. The right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. In which language was the Indian Constitution written? Sanskrit, English, Hindi, English and Hindi. The right answer is English and Hindi. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Benegal Narsingh Rao, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? 26 November 1947, 26 November 1948, 26 November 1949, 26 November 1950. The right answer is 26 November 1949. When did the Constitution of India become effective? 26 January 1949, 26 January 1950, 15 August 1949, 15th August 1950. The right answer is 26 January 1950. Which act was replaced by the Constitution of India as the country's fundamental governing document? Government of India Act 1935, Government of India Act 1937, Government of India Act 1945, Government of India Act 1947. The right answer is Government of India Act 1935. When was the word secular and socialist added in the Indian Constitution? 1976, 1971, 1977, 1975. The right answer is 1976. What is the original title of the Indian Constitution known as in Sanskrit? भारतीय वेशभूषा, भारतीय सशस्त्र, भारतीय संविधान, भारतीय विद्या भवन. The right answer is Bharatiya Samvidhan. How many branches are in the Indian Constitution? 2, 3, 4, 5. The right answer is 3. Name the branches of the Indian Constitution. Executive Judiciary, Executive Legislature, Judiciary Legislature and High Court, Executive Legislature and Judiciary. The right answer is Executive Legislature and Judiciary. How many chambers are there in the Indian Constitution? 2, 3, 4, 5. The right answer is 2. When was the 104th Amendment of the Constitution of India updated? 25th January 2019, 25th January 2020, 31 January 2019, 31 January 2020. The right answer is 25th January 2020. Where is the original Constitution preserved? Noida, Uttar Pradesh, New Delhi, Madras. The right answer is New Delhi. Who presented the objective resolution of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, J.B. Kripalani, H.C. Mukherjee. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. How many members were appointed in the drafting committee by B.R. Ambedkar? 4 members, 5 members, 6 members, 7 members? The right answer is 6 members. How many articles were there when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950? 365 articles, 375 articles, 414 articles, 395 articles. The right answer is 395 articles. What is the celebration of the Indian Constitution called? Independence Day, Republic Day, Central Exercise Day, Quit India Day. The right answer is Republic Day. How many sessions were held by the Assembly before adopting the Constitution of India? 11 sessions, 7 sessions, 12 sessions, 17 sessions. The right answer is 11 sessions. How many members signed the Constitution of India when it was adopted? 2,473 members, 165 members, 7,635 members, 284 members. The right answer is 284 members. When is National Law Day celebrated in India? 26 January, 26 November, 24 January, 26 May. The right answer is 26 November. Where was the Constitution of India published? Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Dehradun, Allahabad. The right answer is Dehradun. From which country was the concept of single citizenship influenced? Japan, United Kingdom, United States, France. The right answer is United Kingdom. Which constitutional concept was taken from Ireland? Amending the Constitution, legislative procedure, preamble terminology, directive principle of state policy. The right answer is directive principles of state policy. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the articles about union territories? Part 14th, Part 8th, Part 6th, Part 9. The right answer is Part 8. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.